Today I'm going to review on Fast Cash app. According to this app, we can cash out from here. If you want to know the truth about this app, stay with me until the end of this video. Hi everyone, Mr-Thebe here. I'm doing reviews on all kind of apps, either that app is paying or scam. Also mining the cryptocurrencies. If you don't want to miss any kind of latest technology info, be sure to subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you will get notified at the earliest opportunities. Without further ado, let's move on to this app. In this mobile screen, you can see the Fast Cash app. Let's open it and see inside. We have to play lots of games inside this app and we can get lots of coins here. After getting coins, we can convert those coins into the cash. As promised, according to this app, we can cash out from here. I've got some cash are ready to withdraw. So let's withdraw it and we'll find out the result. You can see here on the top section, my coins are ready. So let's click there. My PayPal email address is already filled. I've got two amounts. Those are ready for cash out. Let's cash out and we'll find out the result from here. So cashing out now. Actually, we can cash out in some other option as well, but I'll choose the PayPal option here. Let's submit. Submitted successfully. And so on, I will cash out another one. Yeah, both are cash out. Now you can see her next step is please complete 10 missions to approve order. I'll complete these 10 missions and I will get back to you soon. So after completing the task, I had to complete another task, which was I had to install 5 apps. After that, you can see the result here. Your rewards will arrive after a period of time, which is 7 days. So most of the time, this kind of app is just a scam, guys. They will never pay the cash out. However, I have completed all the tasks and I will wait for the 7 days and I will let you know, guys, in the comment section later. That's all for now, guys. Thank you all for watching my video until the end. I'll see you in the next one.